Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's menu, I'm going to be making Monte Cristo sandwiches with curly fries. I have Texas toast, and I have some potatoes for the fries, some eggs, ham. I have 2 pounds of ham, salt, pepper, and some Gruyere cheese, and also some seasonings for the curly fries. The mayo, Dijon mustard, and the pickles are for the sandwich. And you'll need a little butter to cook the sandwiches. So I guess we can go ahead and get started with preparing the potatoes. Come on over with me. All right, so we're back. I've already started with the spiraling of the potatoes, but I left a couple to show you exactly what I did. So I'm using I'm using a spiraler that I purchased from my local store. And let's go ahead and slice it on up. You gotta remove the skin. You can peel the skin off. I just like to go on down. Take all the skins off. We could use a potato peeler, but this is better because it helps shape in order to go into the spiraler. So let's go ahead. Scrape that one off. Throw you in the garbage. Throw you in the garbage. Let's go ahead and start my first spiraler. Put it right there in the center. Down. Go ahead and give you a better view. All right, first one down, 2 more to go. Start on do is take 1 cup of flour. Put 1 cup of flour in the bag. We're gonna add our spices, some cayenne pepper. If you like it spicy, you can add more. We're gonna add some paprika.
Stop it.
Add some paprika. About 1 teaspoon should be enough, but you can add more if you like paprika. Some onion powder. 1 teaspoon, and some garlic salt. Put that in there. Woo! Yes. All right. So we're gonna seal this up. Set it to the side. Give it a little shake. Mix everything around. And once the potatoes are ready to go, we're gonna flour them and fry them up. So let's go ahead and get started with assembling the Monte Cristo sandwiches. All right, so we're back. I'm gonna go ahead and start shredding the cheese, the Gruyere cheese. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and start shredding the Gruyere cheese. enough for our 5 sandwiches that we're making. Put this to the side. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble everything. Put the cheese here, put the eggs here. Go ahead and start with our bread. Let's bring some bread out. Right, we got 5 slices of, 5 sets of bread. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and start assembling sandwiches one by one. With the first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this area clean, grab some saran wrap, that way we can press the sandwiches together, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start pressing the sandwiches down a little bit, make sure they're all nice and together, and then we're gonna dip it in some egg. Take the first one, go around, press it, hold it in, let's bring it closer. Put it on the baking sheet. All right, so let's let this sit, marinate together, and then we're gonna go ahead and start on the potatoes. All right, so I have the oil already melted for my sandwiches. So I'm gonna go ahead and start placing the sandwiches in the oil. finish this up, and when everything's done, I'll come back to you. All right, so it looks like the second sandwiches are ready to come out. So this is what you want it to look like. That's the second side. All right, let's go ahead and put in with the other three. All right, so those are just Monte Cristo sandwiches. And we're gonna go ahead and check on, let's go ahead and check on the fries. Oh yes, fries are done. Nice curly fries. Yes, that is done. Go ahead and take them out. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this all plated up and ready to go. Alright, looks like we're done. Monte Cristo with curly fries, and I have a dipping sauce for the fries. I want to thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Cheers!